The dam damned itself with vitriolic debris. Something like a sling blade impeded his vision. Malignant with distress, he placed himself in an awkward situation where his offsprings would be unable to procure his salvation. His Pygmalion mistress told him to paint the house blue. She ruled his flesh with bruises from intrinsic thorns pulverized with venom which coursed through her veins. With increasing viciousness, each invasion was a hell from which no escape was possible. Writhing, he pivoted wildly, as if to apologize to each spurned requests for sanity. Instances of mercy revealed itself in a landscape devoid of grace. If only he reached out and accepted its stimulant presence. If only, for one brief moment, he allowed himself to risk destruction and simultaneous redemption. Yet slavery was familiar. Someday the dam will ultimately break, and when it does, the tangents of scathing reality will finally be reformed.